So is to summarize that actually in China, only two kind of data is actually regulated by the CAC, by the government authority. One is called important data. Another one is called personal information. As for the important data, it's a unique China thing because China, we provide a concept important data based on that if some of data is actually if the leakage of data will result in, it will jeopardize the national security, public interest. So such data will be recognized as important data. So if you're going to transfer important data outside of China, you should go straight to the so-called security assessment. The security assessment will require the market player to submit a security assessment report to the central government, which is the CAC, for review. In this security assessment, you will have to provide a very, very, very comprehensive details to convince the CAC that although the data is so important, actually it is necessary to transfer data outside of China, and most importantly, during this data transfer, all data is actually secured. Like, for example, we do have a trustful, a vendor to make sure that they adopt different technical, technical measures or management policies to ensure that the data is actually well protected. And to convince the CAC, we should present that why this vendor do have such capability and what kind of specific technical measures has been adopted. And also, you may have to mention the benchmark cases to convince CAC that this is a normal data transfer. It's no different from others. So if we, normally this kind of, security, once we submitted such security assessment to the CAC, according to my experience, generally it would take you 3 to 6 months to obtain the approval from the central government. So that's why if we're going to transfer data outside of China, the very first gesture is to make sure that you will not transfer any important data outside of China.